Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Tensor. Now this here is their Corporal flashlight. Now I was sent this by them directly. They wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in this box. So let's go ahead and get started here. Let's take a look at the specs. Now as you can see here, it puts out 500 lumens on the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise we're going to open this up, see what's in it. Now I get a lot of lights sent to me over the period of years, that is, and a lot of them don't make it to my channel because of quality issues, or there's definitely a huge flaw in their products. So this here actually appeared to be a good quality little light. Now it comes here with this card here. Comes with a USB charging cable. The light itself comes in this plastic. Now this does have a nice style and design, and the reason why, you can actually make it into an angle light. So that's another really nice feature, because I really have kind of a soft spot for these type of lights. And you can actually rotate this clip around to the back. It will cover the button, so just letting you know that, but it's not a big deal. But this is definitely tight, no play in it at all, and it's very smooth turning it as well, no grinding. Now you can table stand that if you need. Here's the charging port there. Again, side switch is almost flush with the body. Now remember, you can remove this clip if you don't want it on there. Got some flexibility on that clip. And the machining and finish on this is nice. Don't see any issues. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the smooth reflector. Now as you can see, the LED down in there, they don't give any kind of information on what type it is, so I'm unable to provide that for you. Maybe one of you can leave a comment down in the description letting me know what it is. Nice size, great for EDC. And that feature right there is just looks great. Not seeing any issues here. Quality appears to be nice. Another nice thing that this does have is a magnetic tail. And that's great for placing it on metal surfaces, as you can see. So definitely strong enough. Use it as a hands-free light. Alright, Now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the insides here. Straight contact point there on the head. And I'll show you the battery that it comes with here. Now the magnet kind of makes it a little difficult. Now this is a protected cell, as you can see there. As you can see there, 700 milliamp. This is a 7 amp cell. And there is the spring down inside of the light. So now this 16340, I also tried a unprotected cell. Now the unprotected cell has to be a button top, otherwise it won't be long enough because of the way the head is. So make sure that you use unprotected or protected cells that are button top only. But other than that, you can easily get those and be able to be back on the road to lighting up the darkness. I'll put this all back together. Now let's go through the UI. UI is real straightforward. Click it one time, turns it on. Click it again. Now it does have a little PWM on that lower light level. And then it shuts off. Again, no PWM here on the highest output. A little bit of PWM here. Now I don't see it with my eyes, but the camera will pick that up. And that is a constant rate on the flash. And that is at the full light output. Click it one time, turns it off. Go through those light levels one more time. Now you don't have to go through all those light levels. You actually can press and hold to shut it off, so you don't have to go through strobe all the way down to be able to turn the light off. You can easily do it at any level by simply pressing and holding that. So that's really a nice thing, because a lot of people, even including myself, if you're out there with the light and you want to turn it off, but you don't want to have to go through all the strobe and everything to turn it off, definitely is a plus. Right angle lights are very popular, been around for so many years, clear back in the day of early war times. So this type of idea and design have been around for a very long time. Now the build quality is definitely solid, feels rugged. So this is my very first product I've ever reviewed of theirs. Not bad. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little Corporal angle light. Let's go ahead and get started, see how it does. There's the water spout there, 38 feet from where I'm standing. Impressive beam performance. 65 feet to that tree there. Now if you have any doubts or questions about my distances, they are listed in a link below my videos. Nice wide beam on this spill area, that is. And it is faintly making it to those playgrounds across the park. And there's the tree of life, 138 feet from where I'm standing. Usable spill. And for this size of light, this is impressive. And now we're going to go down to the next level. And there's some PWM there a little bit. Now it has stopped. That's weird. Now on my indoor camera that I use for my indoor shots, it was showing PWM, but here it's not. So it did at the beginning. See if I can. No, it has nothing to do with that. So maybe it does at first and then stops. 65 feet, still making that. Still good light output here. So impressive light output. Once you've had it on this level for a while, it will automatically shut off. So nice beam performance on this. Still making that tree of life. That's impressive. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive beam performance on this. It does have a combination beam. Now, it being only 500 lumens, you're not expecting to get a huge amount of throw, but it did really well in my opinion. Now, the lower light output shows some PWM, but you're not going to really notice that with the human eye. Now, some people say they are sensitive to that, but in any case, I don't see it, at least with my eyesight, and my eyesight's pretty good. So as far as the ease of use, of course, the UI is simple, it being the right angle light into a regular flashlight for everyday carry. You can put this on your side, have it shoot forward for hands-free, or maybe even on your hip. Remember, it's got that magnetic tail cap that really helps out to make it a nice hands-free work light. Great for your vehicle for emergencies. And this battery is really quick to charge. If it does go dead on you, you can easily quickly charge it. Or if you do have an extra 16340, as long as they're button tops, you should be able to run this light without any issues with those. Now, I want to thank Tensor for sending me this Corporal flashlight kit to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, remember, this is a complete kit. Comes with everything you need to get started right out of this box. I will leave a link down in the description. That way you can get this. Also working on a special discount code that'll help you save even more on this already very affordable little flashlight, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Tensor to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.